Hi, NTeamEN speaking, and today we're going to talk about electromagnetism. In electromagnetic, there is electricity and magnetism. Indeed, magnetism and electricity are two forms of the same phenomenon. This is why you can create a magnet with an electrical current and you can create an electrical current with a magnet. Actually, this is the way we produce most of our electricity, by rotating a magnet in a copper coil. So now that we've seen that the electrical and magnetic force are the same thing, we're going to do something very logical, study them separately. First, we're going to see the magnetic force, which explains how magnets and magnetic fields work. These two always have a positive and negative pole, no matter how many times you cut them in half. Two of the same charges, like positive and positive or negative and negative, will repel each other, while two different charges, like positive and negative, will attract each other. Now we're going to talk about the electrical force, but you need to remember that it is the same thing as the magnetic force. The formula to calculate the force between two charged objects is the following one. This force is, as we saw, either repulsive or attractive depending on the charges. Now that we've seen what is electromagnetism, we're going to see natural phenomena and two inventions due to that. The biggest example I got is the Earth, that has a magnetic field. This magnetic field protects us from the lethal parts of the sun's radiations. Now that we have seen a natural phenomenon due to magnetism, we're going to see two human inventions. The first we're going to talk about is the production of electricity. Indeed, as we have seen before, most of the electricity we produce is produced by alternators, which are magnets and copper coils. So we have electromagnetism to thank for almost all of our electricity, but for other inventions as well. Other inventions like the maglev, a train that always beats speed breakers while using magnets. So if you listen during this video, you now know what is electromagnetism, a force with an unlimited range like gravity but stronger than gravity. Alright, that's all for this video, I'll see you next week.